Hi dear students, welcome to Social Science video class. In today's class, let us know about Introduction to History, and today we are going to discuss about following these points: meaning of history, three major periods of history, origin of human beings and developments, three different stages in historic period. First one, meaning of history. History is the systematic presentation of past. It introduces the journey of human beings. It tells the failures and success of humans in that journey. It gives the accurate information about the incidents. History is also called as memory, recollection, and retention. Human beings need memory to progress. So, history serves as a memory for a society, state, nation, and the whole world. It gives a record of good and wrong decisions, joyful and sorrowful experiences, and the difficulties faced by our ancestors. Dear students, do you know who is known as father of history? Herodotus is called as father of history. He was an ancient Greek historian known for having written the book The Histories. History is divided into three major periods. First one, prehistoric period. Second one, protohistoric period. Third one, historic period. First one, prehistoric period. It is the period in which no record of writing found. This period is also known as Stone Age because during this period stone was widely used to make tools. Second one, protohistoric period is the period which has a record of writing, but it is not understood by the succeeding ages. Third one, historic period. It is the period that has a distinct record of writings and can be read and understood by succeeding ages. Let us know about origin of human beings and development. According to scientists, the earth was born 4,600 million years ago. The first living beings appeared on this planet were single-celled bacteria called protozoa. These bacteria were capable of living in the absence of oxygen. They used to get necessary energy and nutrients from the environment. And some 4,000 to 2,500 million years ago, lichen and algae were also seen. Later, gradually, fishes, flying insects, reptiles, birds, fruits and flowers, plants, and mammals were developed. Human beings whose physical features were similar to modern man were first appeared in the Africa, and they migrated to various parts of the world. Prehistoric is divided into three stages. First one, Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age. Paleolithic Age. This period is the beginning stage of human history. During this period, human beings lived on fruits, edible plants, tubers, etc. Since they were nomadic in nature, they lived in caves and rock shelters. They used variety of simple stone tools like scrapers, knives, cleavers, etc. They used large leaves and barks of trees as their clothes. At last stages of this period, they learned hunting and fishing for their food. Next age is Mesolithic Age. In this age, they started to use small tools that were more efficient than the bigger one. Those small tools were fixed to a wooden handle and used as spears for hunting. They learned to domesticate the animals. When they were roaming around in search of food, they used to draw pictures on the rocks. The last age is Neolithic Age. In this age, they learned to cultivate the crops in the alluvial soil on the banks of rivers. Agriculture provided them food and fodder for their animals. They learned to live in one place permanently. They manufactured pots to store food. In today's class, you learned the meaning of history, the progress of human beings in 3 ages. Now answer the following questions. First one is, what is history? Second one, who is called as father of history? Third one, when was the earth born? Fourth one, what are the 3 major periods of history? Fifth one, what are the different stages in prehistoric period? In which age did people start agriculture? Last one, what are the stone weapons used in Paleolithic Age? Answer for all these questions and send it to my personal number by evening 5 o'clock. Thank you.